Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at Netflix on the daily and weekly time frame. So we had a very bullish day, a gap up open, and the bulls, we did fill that gap at the low of the day, but the bulls controlled the day, closing up near the high. And some very key developments here. The 100-day moving average becoming support, 96.44, is bullish. We've got 3 days in a row testing and holding the 50-day moving average. Anytime you see a key support tested this many times and the wicks looking the same here with the bulls clearly buying the dip down towards the $93 area, that's when you know to be getting ready to look to the bullish upside, especially when you have an overall market looking bullish as well as SPY currently certainly is. So from here, resistance, we're looking at the high of the day, 97.41, and then from there it's pretty much we're looking up at the $100 psychological resistance level. The upper Bollinger Band is in the way, but that looks to be like it will be flattening out and descending, creating that room to that $100 resistance. Then we're looking back at 101.63 and 104 even, where that last bounce topped out. So on the weekly time frame for Netflix, it's a bit of a different story. That middle Bollinger Band rejected the price at 97.25, that resistance, and you can see that upper wick of profit taking from that very volatile day back earlier in the week with that long upper wick of profit taking. So what this weekly chart tells me is we have a tightening range forming after the dump. We have a lower high, higher low, lower high. Although we dipped below that low, we did not close below it, so it is a higher low in my book. We held that support, held the 100-week support, and now we're seeing another lower high. So if we do pull back and see weakness, certainly the market is not indicating that weakness is coming, so we could look for that to potentially buoy Netflix higher, see a bullish MACD cross on the weekly time frame, and head towards that $100 area. But if it does not, we will look for a higher low to form and head back down towards the $90 range as we stay in this tightening pattern. And you can look at the levels, the lows and the highs, but other than that, you can look at these moving averages, the 100-week and then the 50-week as resistance to help give some clear indication on when that bullish or bearish break does occur. It could be simply as a close above the 50-week is bullish and a close below the 100-week is bearish, and that channel is going to tighten each week that goes by. So we'll keep an eye on it. As of right now, the market does favor the bulls, and that daily chart did have a nice bullish close on Friday. So we'll see if we get all-time market highs early next week. That would certainly help on a move towards $100. I appreciate you watching. Have a great rest of your weekend.